up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to part 2 of Dashcam Owners Australia Good Deeds on the Road. Now, if you guys saw our video last night, it was suggested by, let me go ahead and say that again, Benov1 and T-Girl009. Thanks again for the suggestion. If y'all did see last night's video, there were some pretty heartwarming things that you know, cam owners or the drivers did for other people. That
the camera owners, nothing else.
Yeah, they weren't even driving. They
I think
just
some of them, the camera owner did the car with the camera didn't even do anything.
Yeah, they just caught it.
They just caught it.
Yeah,
on tape.
like the snake one and some other stuff, and the spider one.
Now, what's funny, because we're talking about cameras, I know this has nothing to do with it, but so a situation happened in a Rivian, a new electric truck.
Yeah, I heard.
In the US.
I heard one. Really
Are y'all gonna get the Rivian? So, what happened is something happened and they weren't able to get it on tape because Rivian's cameras don't work as dash cams. Tesla.
It's dirty.
So if you get in an accident in a Tesla, a lot of people like really try to fuck with Teslas.
Right.
But they got what is called Sentry mode. So whenever you're not in the car,
it's always filming.
Yeah, like whenever I go visit my dad and I park next to him, and if I even get close to his car, the screen in the middle just lights up in real bright white. It lights up the garage almost.
Right.
In the middle of the night, and then it says Sentry mode activated. It's so awesome.
Yeah.
So what it's doing is it's filming you all the way around, like,
and it's bright enough to where it can see.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. And then so Rivian needs to do the same thing because people are fucking with electric cars just because they don't want the change.
Yeah, they don't want the movement.
But it's like you're gonna get caught, homie.
Right. But yeah, so last night's video, some heartwarming stuff happened. So looking forward to the next 7 or so minutes of this video. Guys, if you want to suggest other videos to us like the 2 did for this one, there is a link in our description to our Discord. You can throw the links to the videos you want us to check out in there. And before we hop in, if you would go ahead and give us a thumbs up, it really helps us out in getting these videos out to more people. Also, if you would go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, that way you guys can stay informed on our future videos. And if you'd like to help support the channel even more and get an exclusive YouTube short shout out, click that join button down below. Let's hop in. Right, so we ended on this one, I believe, yesterday.
Jason Demetrio knows where his future.
Now, the first thing I saw his bar and seafood, I was like,
yeah,
that's your home right there.
Made in Brisbane for Brisbane. This is the right.
Oh, he pulled over just to see what's going on. I'll park the bike.
I'll push him out of the way, probably.
Try not to die. It's funny how the glare makes all the headlights look exactly the same.
Yeah. Looks like a Mazda.
There's a lot of Subarus.
You need a hand, bro? Want to push off? Want to push? Good. Doing good? Want to push?
I was like, what? Do you want to fucking push?
Jesus Christ, bro. You know what? Never mind. You're an asshole and flipping mom and drive off. Pop that clutch. I've done that before.
I remember I had to do it whenever my clutch broke. I was having to.
Oh, the handle.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember that.
Go, bro. Go.
He's just gonna.
Get him, dog.
There's no like awkward way of saying thank you to that situation. Oh, look at that lamb. I wouldn't mind having a farm with sheep or lamb.
I wouldn't.
Are those
either.
the same thing?
Lamb. I don't think so. I don't know. Sheep, lamb.
I think they're the same thing. Just let me know.
Yeah,
I really honestly don't know.
I mean, we eat lamb.
I
but
love lamb.
When I think of lamb, I think of
food.
like a baby sheep for some reason. But then if I'm thinking of a lamb as a baby sheep, why do they only sell lamb meat?
But not sheep meat.
Like, is it only good when it's a baby?
He's like, whoa.
Oh, my goodness.
I was like, I thought he was posing for the camera there for a second. Good catch.
I think that's a sheep.
I think it's funny how sheep are supposed to follow everything. That sheep was on his own little path. He was doing his own thing.
Yeah, that's a sheep.
So you want to call me a sheeple? Yeah, that's right. I go off on my own. I'm just easy to catch. I'm real slow. And I jump like that, just straight into your arms when I'm running away.
I wonder what's going through their heads right now, like between the sheep and the man.
Yeah.
Like, are they bonding?
Like, you're so cute. Oh, there's another
Oh, he's got a
man.
friend. That sheep's pissed, though.
It's like, damn it, I almost got away. I mean, it looks like he was trying to get over, actually. He was trying to get back home.
And it'd be funny if, like, that's not even its home, like its farm.
They just got a new
And
sheep.
the farmer goes out there later and he's like, I've got extra sheep.
Did somebody have a grown baby?
You know, in situations like that, how does the driver not hear the fact that their trunk or their boot is open?
And what is up with... There's something in the back.
It might be wind just blowing something in the back.
No, it's moving. Maybe not. Maybe you're right.
Okay, so, okay.
How would you not know? There will be a light.
Well, not even that, but while you're driving, like
You're going to hear the road noise so loud.
Yeah.
Oh, man. If you want to hear the story of me dropping my bike, last video,
Yeah.
check it out. It's at the very end.
I flipped my bike pulling in the Nissan that day to go see the bike mechanic.
Uh-huh.
What was his name?
I can't think of it off the top of my head.
Starts with a J, I think.
No. I can't even think about it. I used to work with him forever.
Yeah.
He was a good guy.
Is the brake stuck or what? No.
It's just in gear.
Oh, yeah.
CRV.
Those things can hold their value.
And they last forever.
Yeah. I remember we had one on our lot that was like that year model or older, and it sold for like 22 grand or something. Had like over 100,000 miles on it.
Car's worth what somebody's willing to pay for it. What's he do?
They're trying to put it on the thing since it's dead or whatever.
Oh.
Car
yeah.
won't start, so they're trying to put it in the middle of the road.
Well, I can appreciate that, but in that situation, you may as well just leave it.
Yeah.
You put yourself in a worse predicament.
You have a hernia.
Yeah.
I mean, they're getting closer at least.
Yeah. At least it's not like a big giant truck.
Yeah, at that point, there would be nothing to do. There we go. Upsy daisies.
The guy understands.
And then they go off the other end.
And then wreck into a car. Oh, what a Samaritan.
Yep. It's a good man.
He's just trying to get your phone number, girl.
That's what I'd say too. I'd be like, hey, since I found this for you, could I get your number?
Some little guy.
Yeah.
WRX. You know what? I know this is way off topic. I actually like this is one of my favorite body styles of the WRX.
Mm-hmm.
Or I think this is just an Impreza. But even an STI or the WRX version, I actually like it without the spoiler. It just looks good. Like the way the lights are. And there's a lip right here on both sides. And then there's a lip in the very center. It just looks good on this car.
Yeah.
Like it's weird. Like get rid of because this one has that big spoiler that comes all the way up and all the way down. For some reason, I like it like this.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
How do you even know like it's popped? What if he went up there to try and fix it and she's like, no, my hood's just fucked.
Yeah. You're just
And now you've embarrassed her.
or you embarrass yourself, really. What's that green thing over there?
Looks like a ball.
Okay, what just happened?
That was a ghost bus.
There's a glitch in the Matrix, bro. I still haven't seen the new Matrix. So what's going on?
Are we gonna get the ball? Oh, that's an officer.
Oh. Took him a while.
Right? Or I think it's an officer. He's got a bulletproof vest on.
Some type
or
of
some
vest.
Some type of vest.
I don't think it's bulletproof. That'd be heavy as hell. I don't think they're really worried about bullets. It might be.
It looks like a bulletproof vest. Well, those were all nice things. Things that...
that last one I would classify as that's just your job.
Yeah. Our taxes pay for that.
Yeah.
No, I 100% respect police and what they do. But technically, yes, our taxes do pay their salaries.
Oh, yeah, you respect all cops and what they do?
Not all cops.
Putting you in a very awkward situation.
I don't respect cops that do their job incorrectly.
Yeah. No,
or abuse their
unfortunately,
power.
we're learning that they are... I mean, don't get me wrong. If I was a cop, I think that for a short period of time, I would get a power trip. 100%. Like... I think every cop goes.
I would towards my friends. I'd be like, say that shit again.
Yeah, I'll arrest you, bitch.
Threaten me again.
I'll
And they're just like, they want to high five you, and you just hit me. I dare you.
Are you raising your hand to me? Are you raising? I know the law ish.
I went to cop school.
I went to cop school. That's what they call it.
Yeah.
The cop academy.
Yeah.
But no, like. It's just nice to see things like this.
Good
People
Samaritan.
being good. Like there's so much bad in the world. So just this is unfortunately the anomaly.
Yeah.
You know.
And with that being said, since we've already seen the good, throw some fucking terrible dash cam videos in here for
Have
us
you seen
to
the
take a look
Russian
at.
ones? Because apparently in Russia, there for a while it was really rampant of people like jumping on hoods. After a car stopped and claiming that they were hit by the car.
Right.
And so now they've added, like, I think it's been required to have dash cams in all cars in Russia.
That's how a lot of them are in Malaysia.
Yeah. Well, they come standard with them.
Right.
Which blows my mind that that's not a thing. Like, you'd think that would happen, and then that would cut down on the insurance because you know who actually caused the accident.
But then insurance wouldn't get to charge you more.
Exactly. Fuck the insurance.
No, I agree, but that's probably their tactic. Just
But
like
yeah,
Big
so they've
Pharma
added, and then like you'll see videos of somebody coming up to a stop, and then you'll see them run up. Bam!
Yeah.
Like
And just fucking
football
run
hit.
into your vehicle.
Yeah, the vehicle. I'm like, motherfucker. It's like, whose insurance do we use now?
Those are good videos.
Was this an act of God?
That was an act of stupidity. I wanted to use a different word, but it's not appropriate in 2022.
Idiotic.
Yeah, idiotic.
Idiocy.
Idiocy. That's correct. Yeah.
Sounds weird. But guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Or how in my head I would keep on wanting to say, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like squad, hit the like button. That sounds stupid.
Yeah, I don't like squad. That's dumb.
Okay. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you want to support us directly, hit that join button. With that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.
And just so y'all know, I know what this means. That's why I do it.